Hello friends, I am Dr. Harbans Lal. As you all know, I am contesting for the post of Vice President IUS. During the course of conversation with my friends and supporters, I came to realize many of them are passing through tremendous stress and pressure. I have been practicing yoga for last few years under the able guidance of Yoga Guru Sri Sunil Manji. There have been certain practices which helped me keeping myself totally stress free during this pandemic. I will like to share some of those practices with you. I have divided this session into the 5 parts. First, oxygenate. Second, stretch. Third, warm up. And fourth, the most important, stress buster. And lastly, to relax your body and mind. Now, watch the first session, oxygenate your body. Take few deep breaths in and out. Close your left nostril. Bring your right hand in front of your chest and breathe out. Now lift your right hand up. Inhale forcefully. Bring your hand down and exhale forcefully. Now do the same exercises with your left hand. Now inhale up and exhale down with both nostrils and both hands. These exercises to be repeated 10 to 30 times. Now we will do the stretching of the upper arms and the shoulder with breath awareness and coordination. Inhale and stretch out. Inhale and stretch out. Inhale and take your arms up. Inhale and take your arms up. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now we will do the stretching of legs and hips. Move your leg forward, keeping your knee straight. Then jerk your legs backwards, preferably with coordination of breath. Now bring your knees up towards your hands. Repeat these exercises for 10 to 30 times. And now hit your hip with your heel. Now move your legs sideways as much as possible. Now pull your body upwards and stand on your toes and keep on taking deep breaths when you go up and exhale when you come down. Today's stress buster session involves 5 types of jumping and 5 types of weight training. Each exercise is to be done for 30 seconds. You can increase or decrease the timing from 10 to 60 seconds, but there should be no break till you complete all 10 exercises in continuation. You should try to coordinate your breathing with the exercises. As a general principle, anti-gravity movements you should inhale, and with gravity you should exhale. And whenever there is an expansion of the chest, you should inhale. Whenever there is a contraction, you should exhale. Weight used for these exercises are much less than what we use while working out at the gym. I am using 3 kgs dumbbell, but you can use anything between 1 to 5 kg. When we take our arms up, we inhale. When we bring our arms down, we exhale. Again, while jumping, when we are taking our arms up, we inhale. When we come down, we exhale. After completion of the first round of 10 exercises, one can relax for 1 to 3 minutes and can go for second round. If you are still not fully exhausted and sweating, you can go for third round as well. If the weights are not available, you can use the water bottle or any other item like packets of grain. Now we come to the last part of the session, relaxation. Before we relax our mind, we need to relax our heart. For this, inhale through the nose and exhale mouth. Keep on doing it till your respiratory rate becomes normal. Now we come to the last part of this session, relaxing your mind. Close your both ears with thumb and gently close your eyes and put middle two fingers on top of it. Inhale through your throat forcefully as if something is stuck in your throat, you are trying to dislodge it. After complete inhalation, produce a loud sound of hum and start exhaling through your nose. Now feel the vibrations in your mouth, head, and skull. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Now rub your palm, generate heat, apply on your eyes and face, and open your eyes with a smile on your face.